justice in January 28 plane crash of former Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar has become stronger. Today, NCP SP MLA Rohit Pawar is expected to visit the CID office in Pune. Right now, we are standing outside the CID office where Rohit Pawar is likely to arrive shortly to follow up on the complaint and the press for an FIR in the case. After the death of Ajit Dada, the family and supporters have been demanding full transparency. They are saying that every step of investigation must be based on verified and official sources. They want a clear answer about what caused the crash and whether there was any negligence. On Thursday morning, Rohit Pawar and his cousin Yugender Pawar went to Baramati police station. They submitted a written complaint against asking the police to register an FIR against VSR Ventures. The company was operating the Legend 45 aircraft that crashed in Baramati in Pune district. Ajit Pawar and four other people were on board the plane at the time of the accident. A day earlier, Rohit Pawar had filed a similar complaint at Marine Drive police station in Mumbai. However, since the accidental death report was already registered in Baramati after the crash, the case was later transferred to the State Crime Investigation Department (CID) for further investigation. Rohit Pawar lately alleged that Mumbai police did not register any FIR, which increased his doubt about the case. Meanwhile, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation has taken action against VSR Ventures on Tuesday. The DGCA ordered the grounding of four aircraft operated by the company. The aviation regulator said there were no complications with the approved procedures related to airworthiness, air safety, and flight operations. Yugender Pawar claimed that DGCA report points towards possible criminal negligence. He said if criminal negligence is proved, then an FIR must be registered against the company. At present, the investigation is with the state CID, the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau (AAIB), which is investigating aircraft accidents in India, has not released yet its preliminary report into the crash. The family says that they are waiting for the official report but are also asking for quick action from the police. Supporters of Ajit Pawar gathered in large numbers. As we have seen, everyone is demanding for the justice. That could be the family members and the citizens of entire Maharashtra who need a fair, transparent, and fast investigation. They have clearly stated that after the death of Ajit Dada, they want the truth to come out through verified facts and official knowledge. Now, all the eyes are on the CID in Pune. What will be the upcoming decision regarding this? Because we have seen past various news regarding to the aircraft clash in which Ajit Dada was there. Related that could be related to the black box or the cockpit voice recorder, the last record, like the last conversation between the pilot and co-pilot. Now all the eyes are on CID. As we all know, Rohit Pawar will shortly come to Pune in CID office. We will keep you updated with further outcomes. What would be the entire result on this? This is Harjit Kaur with camera person Ajay from Pune Times Mirror.